Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can add more rows in column in Google Sheets. So on its worksheet, it provides 1000 rows and columns A to Z. You can see 1000 rows and columns up to Z. But if you need more rows and columns, you can add more. How to? Just enter in the box, enter the number of rows you want to add. For example, just click add. So you can see the rows has been added. And if you want to add more columns, you can select, you can highlight how many columns you want to add. For example, right click and insert for columns left. So you can see the column has been added. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.